Hello everyone. So today's session for grade 7 MS Word. Okay, so these applications we are using in this digital literacy. Okay, MS Word, spreadsheet, and then presentation. And last one is ICT tools. Okay, so this is your first session MS Word. So MS Word means here you can going to type the text or making documents. Okay, so you can do creating, editing, formatting, printing, and coloring. Everything you can do this process. Okay, and as well as you can insert the picture also. For example, here I am going to change this picture, or you can already I created this documents. So for example, if you don't want this documents, just click the select all. Okay, and give the options delete option. Okay, for example, if I want to choose this single word, so you can right now change this coloring. Okay, for example, I'm going to change this font color. I need a purple color. Okay, yes, you can see this color now, it's changed. Okay, and then of course picture also, you can, if you don't want that picture, you can just delete that option. Okay, and then if you want to print out, you can take. If you don't want, just you can save this option. Okay, so I want to insert the picture, means going to pictures option. Okay, insert pictures option and choose photos, then you can click this photos. Okay, so now how much size you need, you can fit the size on that document. Okay, so this is your picture information. You can insert this picture also in your Word. Okay, and then if you want to increase the size of this font, means letters, means you just select this words and increase the size. Okay, so we are going to increase the size. Now we can make this bold, and we want to increase our size now. So you can see the last part is 72. You can just click on this part. Okay, 72. See this difference? And here you want to change this color also. Of course, what color we can give? Green. Okay, so now we can see this. Okay, so like this options you can do in this Word process. Okay, so all the documents for typing concept, we can create this type of Word. Okay, so for personal wise, if you want to create a letter to your class teacher, or a business letter. Okay, so everything you can make in this Word software. Okay, so these are the purpose of this Microsoft Word. And here you can see this options: home, insert, draw, layout, review, view. Okay, so layout means if you want to set the page, for example orientation, means you can set that page. Okay, so right now I don't have that option, so it's not working. So we can try another option. Just click on this, and layout, for example size. If you want to A4 size, means you can just click on this size. And if you need margins, means you can click this option. Okay, so if you want two columns, means you can set this option. Okay, so everything it will come once we finish that software configuration fulfill. Okay, because I don't configure that software, so it's not working on my mobile options. So in your laptop it will work. And then view option, you can see this mobile view. This is your mobile view. And print layout, yes, this is your print layout. For example, zoom in, zoom out. Okay, so zoom in size, you can increase, you can decrease. Okay, so for this adjustment, you can increase and decrease the sizes. And color changing and font color also, you can change this. Okay, before this you should select that word. Okay, so this is your font body color. Okay, so everything you can do in this option. For center format you can click this option, and styles, if you want to style that letter for heading 1, we can make that. Okay, title, everything you can make this in this word options. Okay, so for create full posters, invitation, and letters, documents, everything you can create in this word software. Okay, so these are the usage of this MS Word. So thank you so much. Bye from Jenny.